So how did it come out? I'm hoping you were able to figure this one out. Most of my students use this method. So for the first year, we take the 5,000, put it into our formula, 1 plus RT, and the R is the 2.5% times 1 year. And then make sure you use that percent button if you leave it showing as a percent here. And then when you combine the point or the 2.5 times 1 and put that percent on there, you get 0.025. Add in the 1, so you have 1.025. Multiply by the 5,000, and at the end of the first year, you have $5,125. Carry that over to the start of year 2. 5125, and it'll be the same thing, 1 plus 0.025 times 1, and so we're going to have 5125 times 1.025, and we get 5253.13. Because this is money, we have to round, and that'll be for the end of the year. And do you see I'm taking a small shortcut? I know that I'm going to be doing 1 plus 2.5% times 1, that has not changed, even though my balance has changed. So I'm just writing this same figure here, 1.025, right away to be multiplied by the previous balance. And then when I multiply those, I already have this number sitting on my calculator, but I do want to round it. So I'll do 5253.13 times 1.025 equals, and I get the end of the year balance for year 3. And so by the end of year 5, following my same pattern there, I have $5,657.05. And that is my compounding. Let's talk about the and a half years there, though, because I gave you what we would come up with in 5 years. But if we're compounding every year, and at the end of the year, this is the value that you would have for 5 years, halfway through the 6th year, do you think the bank is going to say, oh, we'll give you half a year's interest? Mostly not. And think about it this way, if you're compounding daily, so at the end of every day you calculate the interest that was earned on the account, do you think when you walk in at noon on a particular day that the bank says, oh, let me calculate that interest for half of the day because you left your money for half a day today? No, they're going to say, last night, whatever we had, that's what you get. So same thing for annual. So if you're compounding annually, you really have to round this down to the whole number of years, which would be, in this case, year 5. That's as much as you're going to get for this account.